Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by putting your values into one column. Use cells A1 through A3 for this example. Enter 50 in A1, 60 in A2, and 70 in A3. Next, compute the mean with equals average, A1, A3. Then compute the sample standard deviation with equals stdev, S, A1, A3. These functions return two numbers you need. In this example, the mean equals 60 and the standard deviation equals 10. Keep these cell results visible for the z-score calculation. Now calculate a specific z-score using the standard formula. Place your raw score in a cell, for example 65 in A4. Reference the mean and SD cells when writing the formula. Enter equals A4B1/B2, where B1 is the mean and B2 is the SD. Press enter to compute the result instantly. With a 65 score, a mean of 60, and SD of 10, that formula returns 0. 5. This 0. 5 is the standardized z-score for the value. You can transform the z-score into a percentile in Google Sheets. Use equals norm, S, dist z true, and supply the z cell reference. That function returns the cumulative probability as a decimal between 0 and 1. Multiply by 100 to show a percent, for example 69. 15%. With z equal to 0. 5, the function returns approximately 0. 6,915. To go the other direction, use equals norm, S, inv 0, 6,915, which returns the original z of about 0. 5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.